Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, it exploded. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another Glossybox box. So this is the Surprise Me box. It's the limited edition holiday box that comes out in December. I'm looking at myself and I think I'm wearing two different lashes. Am I? Anyway, I'm gonna be unboxing this for you guys. I know that it's been available for a while. I will have my link down below if you want to shop anything Glossybox. Please use my link. It would mean a lot to me. I will make a little bit of a commission on it, and it also lets them know that like I sent you. It's like a little referral situation. I'm really excited to see what's in here. So yeah, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of videos just like this, and let's get into it. So this box is $30 if you are a Glossybox subscriber, but if you are not and you're still interested in this box, you can get it for $35. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So this box is worth over $185. So the value is well over what you pay for it. It's a box full of wonderful surprises, one of our most hotly anticipated collections of the year. It features exciting new beauty treats from Valentino, Milk Makeup, Fakai. This 8-piece collection features a mix of full-size and travel-size products with a perfect mix of skincare, makeup, hair care, and fragrance to enjoy, all wrapped in our specialty design, festive marble box. This is the little sister to the advent calendar, so I'm just reading straight off the website just so you guys know exactly what this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. This is a really cute box, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's totally different than their normal subscription boxes. As I said, I do have a code with them. If you want to get your normal subscription box for $16 a month instead of $21, you can use my link. I'm not sure if my link will get you a discount on this particular box because it is already so discounted. So like normal, we always get a little pamphlet telling us what's in here. Ooh, I'm excited. I see something that I wanted. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and open this. I always got the tissue paper with the little sticker that I always end up ripping anyway. The first thing I see here is this little intriguing little bag with a little thingy in here. I don't even know. So this is the Kawaii Girl Cosmetics Loose Shimmer Powder in the shade Allerton. It's a multifunctional loose shimmer powder, exactly what you need to add a pop to your look, whether you want to have glittery eyeshadow or highlight on your cheekbones, add some sparkle to your lips. This bold pigment can do it all. This is $15 and this is a full-sized item. Ooh, okay, let's open it. I like that it comes in a little bag. Reminds me of Pat McGrath, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry for all the noise right now. The picture in this little pamphlet looks like it's a gold. This looks like more of a champagne. I'm like, oh my god, this is not gonna work for me. It's gonna be too dark, you know, but I think it'll work just fine. Let me go ahead and open it. Oh, it exploded. It's like a pigment. Yeah, it's a lot more gold than it looks. It is definitely a gold, but it could be a really fun like eyeshadow, and it's not like, oh, it's not that intensely pigmented, which means that you could probably rock it on the cheekbones as well, like it says, but it is a little bit glittery. Like, it's got like actual pieces of glitter, which some people don't like on their cheekbones. I don't mind that. So this is really cool. This is a really small full-size product, but hey, whatever, it is what it is. They even have the little sequins, little things in the bag, which definitely is totally Pat McGrath vibes. Stealing a little bit of stuff from Pat McGrath, I see, but cool. Next, we've got a lip mask. What? This is not a lip mask. It says we're supposed to get a lip mask, but this is not a lip mask. This is an eye patch, actually. So this is the Lapkos Collagen Eye Patch. It's definitely Korean. It's Korean skincare, which, you know, that means it's good. So this is a hydrogel eye patch with collagen extract. It firms and smooths the delicate area around the eyes. I love a good eye patch. I do use these when I'm getting ready for like a formal event or whatever. So cool. Although it does say we're supposed to get a lip mask, I actually prefer the eye patches. So go you. Next, we have from Milk Makeup the mini lip and cheek work in Dusty Rose. I love Milk Makeup. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I think I've gotten another one of these in a past Glossybox, but it's not the same shade. I remember the shade exactly, and this is not it. This is a perfect neutral everyday shade. I love that it's multifunctional. I love Milk Makeup as a brand. I do get PR from them sometimes, but I've never gotten these, so I'm like, yes, I get to use these. Wait a minute. So this is a full size. I don't think this is, they call it a full size, but then it says mini. Like, it's like the title of it is mini lip and cheek, so this is a full size mini. All right, that is worth $20, by the way. Oh, and to be honest, I don't know how much the eye patches are worth, but the lip mask is worth $18, so I'm assuming around that realm. Next we have from Neolastin. This is the Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. I love me a good moisturizer. Ooh. This is a deluxe size. This is formulated with, this looks like a full size to be honest. It's very, very big. This is formulated with high quality ingredients, revolutionary technology. It's suitable for all skin types. It nourishes your skin with anti-aging hydrating moisture that revitalizes and restores skin texture and gives it a more radiant look and feel. This is $56, 20 milliliters. The full size is 45 milliliters, worth $140. That's expensive. I hope I don't love it, but you know what? I'm gonna try it because I'm always looking for, it looks really, really thick, which is what I love in a moisturizer. My skin is so dry. I need a hydrating moisturizer. It's very thick. Oh, I think I'm gonna like it. It also doesn't have a strong smell. Like, it doesn't smell like anything, to be honest, which is good. Ooh. Next, we have a Valentino fragrance. This is the Voce Vida Eau de Parfum. This is the deluxe mini, worth $9.45. The full size is 100 milliliters. This is 7 milliliters. And the 100 milliliters is $135. Let's smell this. So this is a harmony of couture orange blossom and golden gardenia paired with colorful Italian bergamot and mandarin. I think I'm gonna like it. I do like orange fragrances. This is addictive through an unexpected cool note of crystal moss and vanilla. Let's open this. I've never smelled this before. I'm a perfume junkie. You guys know how much I love fragrances. So, oh, it smells so fancy. Oh, the floral notes are kind of getting a little bit up there. I'm not sure about this one. I will have to get back to you guys because the floral notes are coming through a little too much. Like, it's almost too much gardenia, which I actually love the smell of an actual gardenia. Like, my grandma used to have a gardenia bush and I used to go up to it and smell the flowers all the time. But in fragrances, I'm not like a huge fan of them, of that scent. I don't know why, but whatever. Okay, next we have the Bloom Effects. Yeah, Bloom Effects is the brand. This is the Dutch Dirt Mask. This is a full-size item for $49. Wow. So this is an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one. This formula combines the best chemical and physical exfoliation to create a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse. Plant and fruit enzymes and floral acids team with Dutch peat, volcanic sand, and kaolin clay work to purify, detoxify, and renew dull and congested skin. Ooh, cool. I'm always looking for a mask or scrub. I love dual purpose products. This is so cool. Definitely will keep you guys updated on how that goes for me. And then we have the Fakai CBD Scalp Calming Shampoo and Hydrating Mask. Oh wait, there's no hydrating mask in here. This is just the shampoo. So I cannot use anything with CBD personally. It's a personal thing. I can't do it, so I will have to give this to somebody else. They calm and soothe your scalp, they hydrate the hair, and are proven to be safe on color and keratin treated hair. They work together to buy moisture in hair and dramatically reduce breakage. This is the deluxe set, worth $16, and the full size is $53. This is not, I don't have this set. I'm not really sure where the other one is, but I do have one more item in here that is not listed on this little pamphlet. This is from By Terry, and this is the, it doesn't even say what it is. I assume it's a gloss. Yeah, it's a gloss. Ooh, that's pretty. So I assume that they kind of ran out of stock on some things and they just had to throw in some other things to make the value of the box a little bit more. But I did not get the other part of the CBD thing, which I'm okay with because I cannot personally use CBD, so I'm okay. And I also didn't get the lip mask. I got the eye patches, so that's interesting. This lip gloss is fun. I've always wanted to try By Terry. Cool. I'm really happy with this box. I think there's a lot of items in here that I've never heard of, which is the fun of getting these boxes because you don't know what you're getting. It's like not something you would go out and buy yourself. I say that's in every single box. But honestly, I would not think to go out and buy this random mask from this random brand that I've never heard of. So that's the fun of a subscription box. Let me know if you received this box and what you got in it, and if you're happy with it. I think the value is very, very good. Let me go ahead and total the value. So when I added everything up, the total value of the box is $183, which I think is an amazing deal for just $30 or $35, depending on if you're a subscriber of Glossybox or not. You get a bunch of products, and I think it's a really good mix of makeup and skincare. But yeah, again, let me know if you picked up this box and what your favorite item from it was, and did you get the same things? Like, I'm curious because I don't know like why some things are missing, but it's okay. I'm okay with it. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ooh, oh my goodness. So we get little, my eyelashes look so wonky. If you enjoyed